Elle s'appelait Marinette, elle était jolie mais bête.
Welcome to your French class. In today's video, we'll learn the third group verbs, RE ending verbs. We'll see the regular cases. The regular cases means majority of the cases will be conjugated the way we are going to learn here. First, I'm writing all the pronoun here. Je, tu, il, elle. I, you, he, she. Nous, vous, il, elle. We, you or you all. They, the boys, they, the girls. Now again we'll follow the same step. It belongs to RE group verb. So we'll drop the ending and we'll use leftover spellings as a stem. I have written the same stem for the entire conjugation. Now comes the last step. The last step is to put endings here. The endings are S, S, T or D. If the verb has D already in spellings, we'll write D. Otherwise, we'll take T. Few verbs will be having T here. Then comes ONS, EZ and ENT. I have written here all the endings according to the series of pronoun I have written this side. Now, if I put the endings here, the first ending is S, S. My third ending is D. My rule is already justified. One D is already there, so I am not going to write one more D here. The same D which is here would work. Then the next ending for nu is ONS. For woo it is EZ and it is ENT for il and L plural. Now see here, whenever we conjugate any verb that starts with a vowel, while writing that verb with the je, we have to remove this E. When I remove this E, I'll take this je closer to the verb and we'll put this apostrophe here and we'll write it like this. So it is j'attends, tu attends, il attend, elle attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. Now we'll see, when we translate it in English, it is I wait. I wait for you. Tu attends. You wait. Il attend, elle attend. He or she waits. Nous attendons. We wait. Vous attendez. You or you all wait. Ils attendent, elles attendent, they, the boys or they, the girls, wait. Now we'll take one more verb to see the same conjugation. Now the second verb which we are taking is vendre, to sell. Again we'll follow the same step. We'll drop the ending. It belongs to RE group verb. We are removing this RE. We are using leftover spellings for the entire conjugation. Now comes the last step. The last step is again here to put the endings. The endings we have seen are S, S, T or D, ONS, EZ and ENT. So S, S, I need D here which is already written here. So I am not going to put one more D. The same D will work. My rule is already justified. SSD, SSD. One D is already here. ONS, EZ and ENT. Je vends, tu vends, il vend, elle vend, nous vendons, vous vendez, il vend, elle vend. Now when I translate these sentences, je vends means I sell. Tu vends, you sell. Il vend or elle vend, he or she sells. Nous vendons, we sell. Vous vendez, you, someone who is elder to you or more than one, you all sell. Ils vendent, elles vendent, they the boys or they the girls sell. So this is the way how we conjugate DRE ending verbs in RE group verb. That's it for the day. If you have any doubt related to the conjugation we have learned today, please send your query in the comment box. Thank you. Till then, bye-bye.